Today I'm going to teach you how to add and remove pages from navigation in Squarespace. This is a fundamental skill for organizing your website's structure and controlling what visitors see in your main menu. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Squarespace account so you can access your dashboard without any issues. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. If you manage multiple sites, simply click on the specific website where you want to add or remove pages from the navigation. This will take you directly into that site's editing interface. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on Website, and directly underneath it, you'll find an option labeled Pages. Click on Pages to open up your site's page management area. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing your navigation structure. What you'll see now is your site's page hierarchy, which includes two main sections: Main Navigation and Not Linked. The Main Navigation section displays all the pages that are currently visible in your website's menu, while the Not Linked section contains pages that exist on your site but aren't accessible through the main menu. Understanding this distinction is key to managing your site effectively. To add a page to your navigation, you have two straightforward options. The first method is to click the plus icon that appears right beside Main Navigation. When you click this, Squarespace will present you with various layout options for your new page, or you can simply click Add Blank to create a blank page from scratch. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be prompted to input a name for that page. Type in whatever title you'd like, then press Enter to confirm. Your new page will immediately appear in the main navigation and be accessible from your site's menu. The second method for adding pages is even simpler if you already have pages sitting in the Not Linked section. You can just click and drag any page from Not Linked directly into the main navigation section. As soon as you drop it there, it will automatically be added to your navigation menu. This drag and drop functionality makes reorganizing your site incredibly intuitive. When it comes to removing pages from your navigation, you also have two options to choose from. The first is a permanent solution. You can delete the page entirely by clicking the trash can icon that appears beside the page name. This will remove the page from your site completely, so only use this if you're certain you won't need that content anymore. The second, less permanent option is to simply drag the page from main navigation down into the Not Linked section. This keeps the page on your site but removes it from your visible menu, which is perfect if you want to temporarily hide a page or keep it accessible only through direct links. And that's all there is to it. You now have complete control over which pages appear in your Squarespace navigation and which ones remain hidden. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.